is the tree house I'm building for my brother's family. They bought all different types of salvage windows, remnants. So we just had to kind of make them fit. These two are awning windows, and they are different sizes. You can see one smaller than the other, so we just staggered those. This was the largest window right here. And if you look close, you can see that we centered that with the two matched windows on the back wall. Right now, we just finished the roof structure today. We still have all of our bracing up. These scissor braces we use to make sure that the upper wall remains straight, so those actually act like a jack, so you can pull them in or push them out, and then you nail them for the bracing to hold the wall in place. We put up a double 2x8. That's 20 foot long. We let it fly out on the gables, so there will be fly rafters put in out there, so you have an overhang and a soffit for it, so water's just not slamming up against the corners, which is where you'll end up getting your leaks if any leaks ever really happen. So as you can see, the tree is actually in the house, so I guess you could say this is more like a house tree, not a tree house. This tree, we're building what they call like a plumber's box around it, so we'll put in a couple structural 2x10s across this, and then put an extra rafter in to cover that gap there. And then another one up here with a little short rafter, and that's so that tree's got movement back and forth. It moves quite a bit. We allowed 6 inches on each side for growth and movement, wind movement, which that'll be fine. And as you can see, the roof is up. Next step is going to be getting our outer framing complete for these lookouts and overhangs. We got to get those in. Once we do that, then we can actually sheet the roof and roof it. There you go. There's your house tree.